Wherever you are, either at work or at home, for sure you would desire a clean and healthy environment. At Enviro Group Asia, we provide an integrated environmental engineering solution through our three main companies, with each having their core competencies to improve your quality of living and enhancing your assets.
Three groups of companies, Enviro Works, Enviro IFM, and Red Carpet Technologies, aim to further enhance the well-being and productivity of people living indoors.
We serve a wide range of industries that require environmental and engineering solutions throughout Asia. EnviroWorks is an indoor engineering specialist and environmental industrial hygiene consultant in the field of indoor environmental air quality, building remediation and restoration solutions with a wide experience and knowledge in carrying out comprehensive turnkey-focused decontamination and remediation works. We at EnviroWorks use innovative environmental solutions to provide our customers with ultra-modern technologies to meet the challenges of sick building syndrome, SBS, building-related illnesses, and hospital-associated infections, and many others. The services of EnviroWorks include assessments, remediation, and solutions. We examine, prepare, and equip your premise to ensure a healthy and safe environment for everyone. Enviro IFM was formed to focus in providing integrated green facilities management and disaster restoration management solutions across a variety of industries. When disaster strikes, Enviro IFM is here to help you get back on your feet as soon as possible with a magical 360-degree solutions for internal and external of your buildings. Red Carpet Technologies is a leading carpet restoration company, having cleaned more than 20 million square feet of carpeted area. Our restoration technicians are highly skilled, certified, and comprehensively trained in the field of carpet restoration and preventative maintenance technologies. This means that your carpets get the cleaning attention they need, which increases the carpet's life expectancy through proper maintenance and, ultimately, improved indoor environmental air quality. Our clients consist of large multinationals, SMEs, and even homeowners. Let us help you with your indoor environmental issues. We will all benefit from a better quality of living.
Your integrated solutions.
Your integrated solutions.
Your integrated solutions.
Enviro Group Asia, your integrated solutions.